Today we will discuss about the shaping. Yesterday we discussed about the policing in that we restrict the particular bandwidth out of total bandwidth for the critical applications, right? So we did for FTP, we reserved or we restrict 2 Mbps link out of the 5 Mbps. But today we will implement the shaping part and how we will do that. Let's see. So I'm just assuming that this is our topology R1, R2, R3. Okay, I will take the snip. I'm just assuming R3 is our ISP link, ISP router, and R2 is our edge router. I'm just assuming one host is connected below R2. Yeah. So ISP has given us 1 Gbps link, but we will get only 4 Mbps speed because we have taken only 4 Mbps. And one more thing, ISP has given us that we will get a speed up to 7 Mbps speed. Why? Might be one another company is connected with this POP. They have taken 8 Mbps link. Okay. If circuit is free, then multiple times we will get here 6 Mbps traffic, and multiple times we will get only 4 Mbps speed. Right? It depends. So first, before apply the shaping, we make sure that what is our average speed. Okay. So here for Mbps, and as you remember, guys, yesterday we covered the policing part, and we applied policing in our local network, but shaping will be always apply towards the ISP. Okay, so how will we apply that? I'm just taking one scenario. R2 would like send all the traffic towards ISP at rate of 4 Mbps. If we don't apply the shaping in our network, then what will happen? By default, our host will send at the speed of 1 Gbps. So only 4 Mbps traffic will go at once, and all the traffic will be stored in the buffer memory of R2, right? So what will happen then? There will be a conservative on this link. So to avoid this, we will apply the shaping, and our traffic will go slowly and slowly. Our traffic will not go that first traffic will go 4 Mbps, then suddenly it drop, then will go 4 Mbps. It will not go like that. Traffic will go slowly and slowly, and the rest traffic will be stored in the buffer memory of R2, right? But yes, once our buffer memory will be full, then all the traffic will get dropped, and the host will have to send the same traffic again, right? So we will apply here the shaping towards the ISP at the rate of 4 Mbps. So how will we apply that? First, we'll have to create the access list. That will be the extended one, so that we can apply the source and destination and protocol. So 101 permit. Our protocol will be IP, source will be any, destination will be any, right? Then after that, to classify the traffic, we'll have to create the class map. We can give any name. I'm just taking the name of CM-all because we are using for all the traffic, and we will match here our access list. with access group keyword. To specify the action, we'll have to create the policy map. Policy map, you can give any name. I'm just giving pm-all for all the traffic. We'll have to match our class map that we have created, cm-all. We'll have to use the keyword shape. As you remember, guys, we used to police keyword for policing, but here for shaping we use keyword shape. After that, average. Why? Because we are getting average speed of 4 mbps. Might be sometimes we will get a 6 mbps traffic, but we'll have to identify our average speed, that is our 4 mbps. That's why we'll put here the 4 mbps. And one more thing we can put here, 4 6 times 0 or 4m. We will show you the execution. Now we will apply this policy map inside the interface. So our interface is G2 by 0 towards the ISP. G2 by 0 command is service policy, and shipping will be applied in the output direction, and our policy map is pm-all. Yeah. So yeah, this is the command. So first we will go on the GNS3. We will start the router. We'll take a console of R2 and R3. We are using this subnet 192.1.23.0 between R2 and R3. Interface G2 by 0, IP address 192.1.23.2, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Physical interface and protocol is up, and on R2, and then we'll go on R3. Interface is G2 by 0. IP address 192.1.23.3, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown. Interface protocol is up. Now R2 IP should be pingable from R3. This is pingable. Now we'll go on the R2. We'll execute our shaping command. So yeah, this is applied. We'll show you the class map and policy map as well. We just wanted to show you, sorry, policy map, and then after average keyword. Here you can put 5 6 times 0 or 46 times 0, and K for kbps, M for mbps, and G for gbps. Yeah, so we can see the output here. So policy map, interface G2 by 0. So we restrict 4 mbps towards the ISP link and match all. One more thing, as we discussed in the policing, if we don't put after class map match all or match any, then by default it takes match all. So this is the shaping. Thanks for watching. Bye.